Okay, rain for everyone tomorrow. And you mentioned the good news is that it helps with this drought.
Absolutely.
But also, it helps with cleaning off the cars because we're getting into seagull season now. I don't know if you guys have noticed.
Right.
It's very active out there.
Oh, yeah. Had a nice one right on the windshield yesterday.
My car could use a nice little downpour.
Well, you're going to get it tomorrow. Free car wash day for everybody tomorrow, whether you're dealing with the seagulls or not. We're going to get some good rain out there tomorrow, guys. And then it's not all bad news heading into the weekend as we see it now. Today was pretty interesting. Clouds and an onshore flow kept the coast considerably cooler, but up in the mountains we saw some peaks of sun in Berlin, New Hampshire, warmest spot at 63. So yes, rain will be out there tomorrow. There will be some downpours as well, but it looks like Friday cleans up pretty nicely with sunshine developing and temps back to between 55 and 60 Friday afternoon. Saturday should be mainly dry other than a pop-up shower, but as I'll explain in a minute, we've got to watch a storm that's offshore on Sunday. Here are the numbers now. The marine layer firmly in place. It's only 43 in Portland, but still up in the 50s far away from the ocean. Clouds are coming in, and not just from the coast. We have clouds coming in from the west with all this rain that's headed our way for tomorrow. So hour by hour through the night, we'll start with areas of mist, drizzle, and fog near the coastline, but after midnight and toward daybreak tomorrow, this becomes some steadier areas of rain. So in most cases, driving to work or school, it'll be wet in the morning. Periods of rain continue through the day, and you can see where some of the yellows are more common. Central and eastern Maine, that's probably where most of the downpours will be tomorrow. And we may start to taper the rain by early tomorrow evening across far southern Maine, while it does keep raining into tomorrow night farther east and north in the state. 1.5 to 2.5 inches likely from the mid-coast up through the greater Bangor area into the central highlands. Lesser amounts likely closer to the New Hampshire border, may only be a ½ inch out that way. Now on Friday, the low goes to the north and we actually pull in some drier air. That's why I'm optimistic about late morning and afternoon on Friday being partly sunny. And Saturday should start with some sunshine, but we're likely to bubble up a lot of clouds and a few pop-up showers in the afternoon, the best chance being in the hills and mountains on Saturday. And here's what we have to watch for Sunday. There will be a big storm offshore. The question is its track, and you have to think back to like nor'easters in the winter. It's the same concept being 5 days out, and that the exact track of the storm is a little uncertain. If it comes close enough to us, there could be some rain on the coast on Sunday. If it goes just offshore, we'll certainly have clouds, but we may be drier. So that's the one thing in the forecast we have to watch. Wanted to mention, I like some of the trends for next week in that this upper level low goes west, the dip in the jet stream with it, and we may get more of a southwest flow, which could bring in some milder air next week too. So that may be something to look forward to. Gale warning up on the water tomorrow, seas running 3 to 5 feet out there. So a wet one tomorrow with periods of rain, but it's Friday afternoon looking pretty nice. Temps back into the 50s. Could be a pop-up shower, especially up north on Saturday. We'll keep an eye on Sunday. Right now we have it cloudy. It's possible Todd tomorrow morning has to add a little rain in the forecast for the coast if it comes close enough. And then early next week up around 60. Not so bad.
Yeah, we'll take that warm up.
I think so too.
Okay. Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.